guys, what's going on? Jet Scott here, and you're mounted on a tripod because today we're going to do an unboxing video. And it's a short little video, nothing crazy long, but the unboxing deals with the engine that uses these. So this is not a sponsored video by any means, but Dennis at O Brien Truckers was happy enough, well, kind enough I should say, to cut us a little bit of a deal. Not because of the channel, but I think it's something to do with a customer didn't pay for the parts, something like that. I don't know the full story. But Dennis did cut us $100 off our order. And like I said, not a sponsored video, but I've always been a huge fan of his products. And he doesn't just sell early Hemi stuff. He sells small block Chevy, anything vintage hot rod, all the way into nail heads. So if you need some really badass parts for your early hot rod project, I definitely tell you to go check out O Brien Truckers on the web. They have cool looking products, and I've always wanted something from them, and now I got something. So let me show you what we got in the package. All right, guys, so we got our package from O Brien Truckers. It's a pretty big package. Some of you might be able to guess what's in here. Now, of course, I need to go ahead and preface that I'm kind of a moron for even beginning to buy this kind of stuff, because I don't even know if I got a viable engine to build. But you know what? This stuff will make it look like a really cool coffee table if it's a junk engine. So, we'll get her open. Boy, oh boy, we got freaking newspaper and little pockets. Yes! That's all I needed. Thank you, Dennis. I appreciate you sending me a bunch of newspapers that I can read while I'm on the crapper. And fun makers. You know, I'll never have a boring poop again. Oh, anyways, let's get into her. I got me my trusty dusty razor blade, and we'll cut her open. We'll see what we got in here. There we go. Put that away. I'm prone to chopping myself up. It's like Christmas in July, except for it's November. Ooh. What's that? Finned aluminum? That's cool. Very cool. I really like that, baby. Let's see what else is in this package. Boy, oh boy, I sure hope it's more newspaper. Oh, we got a package. Oh, that's what I wanted. What's in here? Oh, I found my nuts. Guys, I found my nuts. Oh, they're actually bolts. Oh, man, I got all excited. Oh, well. Man, I sure do love me a bunch of newspaper. Ooh. Holy hell, that's heavy. Oh yeah, that's what we got for the baby Hemi. A pair of polished aluminum fin valve covers with the spark plug covers and the matching valley tray. This is unpolished. I would have preferred unpolished everything, but this is the part he had on hand. He got me a deal on. I'm not going to complain. I kind of like the raw look, but I guess we're going to rock polished. I mean, there's nothing wrong with polish. It's beautiful. It'll make a really good coffee table. But everything here, guys, I gotta say, you know, ooh, look at that. O Brien Trucker stamped in there, Dodge 241, 270, 315, 325. And they got O-rings already in here for the seals. This is some really heavy stuff, guys. I mean, this is incredibly heavy stuff. This is really nice. I mean, so I think a pair of these valve covers cast raw like this valley tray is $300, and the polished ones are, I think, $400. And that's a lot of money for dress-up parts, in my opinion. Normally I would never spend that kind of money, but this is one of those things where I really have always wanted something this cool, because what I love about his valve covers, when you put this on, it's literally just a sea of fins, and I love that look. It's killer. In fact, let's throw one of these on our Hemi. So on a normal day, that's what your early Hemi would look like, you know, all painted up and pretty, you know, otherwise. Or you can have that. My God, that makes the engine actually look as big as it's supposed to. That is my pick. My last early Hemi I built, for anybody who's been watching the channel of any length time, they'll know how, in my opinion, the engine turned out phenomenal, just painting all the original tins and everything. But this thing, with those, and our custom blower intake we're going to make and everything, oh, it's going to be sweet as hell. This is definitely going to be a keeper. Not selling this one. And for anybody who's curious what we're going to do about that ugly thing, this is something I purchased off eBay. Early Hemi Wyand timing chain cover. Now, for anybody who don't know, I'm a huge Wyand fanatic. I love anything that has to do with the company Wyand. I don't know why. I just love their name. I love their products. So, when that thing popped up on old eBay to buy, had to have it. Even if it's just going to hang on a wall. But I'm hoping I can make this baby work on that son of a gun, because I think that's going to look really killer, having all the finned aluminum stuff, dressing it up. Oh, it's going to be cool. So like I said, guys, I wanted to make a short little video showcasing these products. Like I said in the beginning, Dennis at O Brien Truckers did not sponsor us in any way. Paid for these with my own money. In fact, Dad actually paid half because he agreed they're really cool, and for the deal he was going to cut us, we're not going to pass that up. And these things are badass. I'm going to put this down before I drop it, because my luck, I'll drop it. It'll blow. It'll turn into a million pieces, and then I won't have a valve cover. But then we'd have a really cool welding project video piecing our valve cover together. But again, I want to thank you, Dennis. If you happen to see this video, you're awesome, man. Your products kick ass. They're beautiful. The polish job, that's a really nice polish job. I'm kind of wishing I would have spent the extra money and gotten the polished valley cover to match. But then I would have had the timing chain cover that didn't match. And I may end up polishing a timing chain cover. I don't know. We'll see. But if you guys enjoyed this video, which it's really just me going, woo, check out the cool stuff I got today. But if you did enjoy it, please like the video, share it, do all that fun jazz. And if you're new, subscribe, because we are definitely going to be doing some really neat stuff to this early Hemi behind me. And we're going to be, like I said, we're going to be building a supercharger intake for it from scratch with my TIG welder. I got a 471 blower behind you. In fact, 471 blower right there. And I think it's going to be pretty badass. And even if the intake doesn't work and we can't make everything work together, you know what? We will have tried. And like the true old school hot rodders, we'll have made our own parts and tried to make it work. If it don't work, we'll just put a single 4-barrel on it and we'll still rock and roll. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care and bye-bye.